Yo man! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko at sa video na to pag-uusapan natin yung isang comment dito. May nag-comment sa isang video ko and nagtanong siya na can you make a video about making a girl interested even she is not interested to you? So, yun yung topic natin today and gumawa ako ng 5 bullet points. Ayan, 5 bullet points and yan yung i-discuss natin ngayon sa video na to. But first, gusto ko muna i-plug, meron akong ginawang on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers in which malalaman mo dyan on how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons little by little hanggang sa ma-inlove sila sa'yo by using momentum-based attraction. So, if palagi kang nare-reject, palagi kang natutorpe, palagi kang na-friend zone, or palagi kang nababasted, saktong-sakto sa'yo yung course na yan. So, balik tayo sa video. First point, you need to understand that women are the choosers. Okay? Men are the pursuers, women are the choosers. Kahit bumalik ka pa sa sinaunang panahon, it's always been like that. Tumingin ka man sa mga hayop, ganun din. It's always been women are the choosers. Sila yung namimili kung sino yung gusto nilang mate, kung sino yung gusto nilang intimate partner, kung sino yung gusto nilang bembangin o kung kanino nila gusto magpabengabang. They are the one who choose. So, sino ba yung mga pinipili nila? Ang pinipili nila is yung strongest option for them. Who is the strongest option for me? Kasi for sure, kung babae yan, maraming umaaligid na lalaki dyan. Okay? Lalo na kung sobrang ganda niyan. So, ang pipiliin niya, yung sa tingin niya, okay? Yung sa tingin niya na strongest option for her. Kung sino dito yung lalaking kaya akong protektahan, yung kayang mag-provide sa akin, yung kayang mag-perform inside and outside the bed. So, yun yung hinahanap nila. So, in order for women to choose you need to be strong. Okay? And you need to, kailangan hindi mo gawin yung opposite. The moment na makita nila na ikaw ay weak, okay? Hindi, mawawala ka sa options nila. So, tanggal ka na, X ka na agad. And the number one that kills their attraction is weakness. And usually, ang ginagawa ng guys is nagiging needy. Yun yung pinaka-weak na pwede mong gawin as a guy. Magiging needy ka sa attention niya, magiging needy ka sa oras niya, magiging needy ka sa validation niya. Kumbaga parang hinahabol, chine-chase mo siya palagi kasi gustong-gusto mo siya. And you are chasing for her validation, chasing for her attention, chasing for her time. So the moment na maramdaman niya na needy ka, automatic, she will see you as a weak person. Okay? The moment na maramdaman niya na kailangan mo yung validation niya, kailangan na magustuhan mo siya, you are doing everything para lang magustuhan ka niya, then you are being needy. So wala nang mas weak pa sa mata ng babae yung lalaking needy. So instead, what you should do is indirectly influence them. Kumbaga, the only thing, hindi mo kasi mada-directly influence yung isang babae, yung tipong bibilangan mo siya na, ito yung mga ari-arian ko. Ito yung mga meron ako. Meron akong 6 na abs, meron akong 2 itlog, meron akong Ferrari, meron akong startup business. Alam mo yun, hindi sila on paper that looks good. Logically, talaga yon? Okay. Kumbaga, sa ating mga lalaki, on paper, okay yon. Pero, for them, wala silang pake doon. Ang meron silang pake is yung kung sino ka. The man behind the paper. The man behind the success. Okay? It's your behaviors. It's your looks. How strong do you behave and how strong do you look? Because again, they're looking for the strongest option. Okay? Siguro yung mga materialistic things, it influenced. Pero, very little lang. Kumbaga, secondary na lang siya. But the main primary thing na tinitingnan na sa lalaki is kung sino yung pinaka-strong. Kung sino yung pinaka-strongest option for them. So, you can do that by, discuss ko na to sa mga other videos ko, is number one, in order for you to look strong is is take care of your fitness. Kung obese ka, overweight ka, trim down your body fat. Kung ano ka naman, kung masyado ka naman payat, mag-build up ka ng muscle. So, mag-add up ka ng muscle mass. Next is your style. Now, your style, ikaw bahala kung anong style yung gusto mo. Basta, ito lang yung the way you present yourself. Magkaroon ka ng, kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng effort. Magbigay ka ng effort kung paano pinapresenta yung sarili mo, yung style mo. Ako, kahit anong style naman dyan is okay. Basta pumili ka dyan ng gusto mo, you genuinely like. Hindi yung dahil uso lang. Kumbaga, kung ano yung gusto mong style. So, magagawa mo yun by trying out different styles. Next is your hygiene. Syempre, yung grooming mo. So, kailangan mukha ka laging mabango. Mukhang inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Okay? And then next, it's your behaviors. Sa behaviors mo naman, tatlo lang din yan. How competent are you? Basically, kung meron ka bang mga skills, meron ka bang talent, kung may magaling ka ba, kung meron ka bang career, how influential are you, yung status mo, yung power mo, yung ganyan. Basically, yung meron kang impressive skills, competence, ibig sabihin may magaling ka sa isang bagay. And next is your confidence. Confidence is, yun yung how confident are you on showing off your competence? Kumbaga, pwedeng competent ka, pwedeng magaling ka sa isang bagay, pero dahil hindi ka confident na ipakita yon, wala din. So, confidence is key kasi yun yung the way you show off your competence. And lastly, consistency. Consistency meaning yun yung kung gaano ka ka-consistent sa pagiging confident, gaano ka ka-consistent sa pagiging competent. Kasi kapag consistent ka, ibig sabihin pattern, behavior mo na yan, hindi mo na siya pinipeke. If consistent ka sa pagiging confident, if consistent ka sa pagiging competent, ibig sabihin ingrained na yan sa behaviors mo. Hindi mo siya pinipeke. Because women care about the man itself, the being. Okay? They don't care about, syempre they look at the man. They don't care about yung materialistic things na meron ka. Kung sino ka as a man. So, in order for women to choose you, you need to be the obvious choice. You need to be the obvious choice. So, yun na yung pinakamadali eh. That's the obvious, you want to be the obvious choice for them. So, point number 3 is don't do it for the sake of the woman. Kasi usually yung guys magse-self-improve sila para lang makakuha ng babae. Kung para lang, gagawin ko to, magji-gym ako para makuha siya. Mag-aayos ako para mapansin niya ako. Kumbaga, nagse-self-improve ka para lang makuha yung validation niya. And remember yung sinabi ko kanina that the number one weak move na pwedeng gawin mo is to be needy. If you need her validation, then wala na. Ekis ka na agad sa kanya. She will not see you as the strongest option for her. So, don't do it for the sake of the woman. Do it for yourself. Okay? Kasi, the more you do it for other people, paano kung hindi nila mabigay yung validation na gusto mo? Hindi, titigil ka na lang din. Kasi that's why naaamoy ng babae if you are faking it. Naaamoy ng babae if validation lang niya yung gusto mo. Kasi sure ako, pupusta ako, the moment na yun yung naging goal mo, kunwari, magji-gym ako para magustuhan niya ako. Pag nagustuhan ka ng babae, ititigil mo na yung pag-gym mo. Kasi nakuha mo na yung gusto mo eh. And sila nararamdaman nila din yun. So, number 4 is after you improve yourself, after you've done the work, kasi it's really important to do the work. If gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng interes sa'yo yung babaeng hindi interesado sa'yo, so you need to do the work. So, once you do the work, once you did the work is you want to showcase or show off yourself. Again, ito yung confidence na part. So, syempre, gusto mong i-showcase yung sarili mo. Mag-show off ka. Mag-story ka, kumbaga yung lifestyle mo sa social media. I-document mo for the sake of, yun, to show off. Kasi kung hindi mo ipapakita, wala din. If hindi ka magbe-bait, kumbaga yun yung tinatawag na parang bait. Kung hindi mo ipapakita yung lifestyle mo, hindi mo ipapakita yung kung the way you behave. Kumbaga, hindi ka mapupunta sa choices nila. Kasi invisible ka pa sa kanila eh. Hindi ka pa nila nakikita. Pero the moment na mag-grab mo yung attention nila, is yun, mapupunta ka na sa choices nila. So in order for you to be in their choices, kailangan mong i-showcase or i-show off yung sarili mo. So that's why sinasabi ko sa mga lalaki, if you want to have more dates, is put yourself out there. Hindi pwedeng nagtatago ka lang sa bahay nyo. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo pinapakita kung anong klaseng lalaki ka. So kapag nagkikita kayo kunwari sa office mate mo siya, just show off. Kumbaga dalhin mo lang lagi yung best version of yourself pagpasok ng opisina. Talk to some people, make some friends. Kumbaga ipakita mo yung behaviors mo, ipakita mo how strong you are. Ganyan. Usually naman it will come off natural if ginawa mo yun dahil sa sarili mo. If hindi mo yun ginagawa to impress someone. So, yun yung pagiging authentic na tinatawag. And lastly, is number 5 is you need to check for interest. So, kailangan mo i-check. Siyempre, if you showcase or show off yourself, you will gain more attention. Magkakaroon ka ng maraming eyeballs. Kumbaga, sa mga hindi mo gusto or sa mga type mo, everyone, you will gain attention from everyone. Kasi yun nga, sinokase mo ni sarili mo eh. You show off. Nag-show off ka na. So, the last thing you will do is you check for interest. And then, yun. So, piliin mo lang yung babaeng may interesado sa'yo. So, if ever na ginawa mo lahat ng work, pero hindi pa rin siya naging interesado, hindi naging interesado sa'yo yung babaeng interesado ka, ibig sabihin, feedback mo yun. So, maybe hindi ka lang talaga niya type. Pero dahil you've done the work, improve mo yung sarili mo, you improve your strength, yung lakas ng dating mo, yun, yung sa Tagalog, lakas ng dating mo, the way you look and the way you behave, for sure, magkakaroon ka rin ng ibang options. Kasi again, number 4, show off mo yung sarili mo eh. Pinakita mo yung sarili mo, kumbaga, dinisplay mo yung sarili mo sa madla. So yun, so kahit hindi ka magustuhan ng babaeng interesado ka, kumbaga, naging low interest, when you check for interest, naging low interest niya, meron ka pang ibang options. So, that's the beauty of improving yourself for yourself. Kumbaga, yung sole purpose mo to improve is para, yun nga, to improve yourself. Ayan. So, yun, that's the 5 ways. So, number 1, you need to accept that women are the choosers and they choose the strongest option for them. Number 2 is, what you need to do is be the obvious choice. Okay? You can do that by enhancing your strength, yung lakas ng dating mo as a man. Number 3 is don't do it for the sake of the woman, do it for the sake of yourself. And number 4, showcase or show off yourself. So ipakita mo sa madla, put yourself out there. And lastly, number 5, check for interest. So yun lang. So in that way, you will that's the most possible way na magustuhan ka or maging interesado sa'yo yung babaeng hindi interesado sa'yo. Ayan. So, hopefully nakatulong tong video na to, and if you want to know more about attraction, meron akong on-demand video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. So, check nyo na lang sa description box. Meron link dyan. Click nyo na lang. And I will see you on the next video. Let's go.